Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Spigen Liquid Air case for the OnePlus 9 Pro. So this is the OnePlus 9 Pro which I unboxed earlier, and I've already uploaded my video on this on my YouTube channel, links to which would be in the description. If you haven't already watched it, do watch it after this video. And currently I was using this Never Settle branded OnePlus case which comes in the box. And as you would see, this is not a very hard case. This is very flimsy and this is very thin, and I don't trust this case enough to be continuing to use this case only. So this is good while you are probably at home, not going anywhere, and I am assuming that this will not be able to protect your device against drops. This will be a good case for scratch protection, but probably not for drop protection. So I went ahead and bought this particular case. This is one of my favorite cases. I have already used this on my Galaxy Note 9 as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this retails for about 1100-1200 rupees in India. I'll leave Amazon link to this case in the description. Do use that link as it does help the channel. So here is the case itself. So this is the case. This has this pattern on the back, and it is also supposed to have this protection on the corners, which is a good touch. On the inside we have this particular pattern here, and this says air cushion technology, and that's the thing which actually protects against drops. We also have proper cutouts for the camera as well as the mute and unmute switch, the camera as well as the Type-C and the speakers. Let's go ahead and install this particular case and see how it fits and how it looks. So the case is now installed, and this is how it is looking. So we have our proper cutout here for the speaker grill on the top as well as on the bottom. Proper cutout for the Type-C port and the microphone. On the right hand side, proper cutout for the mute and unmute switch. The power button is very tactile. So are the volume rockers. No issues with that. On the sides, we have this particular pattern here on both the sides, which helps us with, gripping the phone, which is again a nice touch. And it also has this Spigen branding here. On the back, the camera area is completely exposed, and it has this raised lip around the camera, which helps us with the scratch protection for the camera lenses. Also on the front part, we have this raised lip all around the display, which is again a good thing because it helps us with drop protection and scratch protection whenever we keep our phone directly onto the surface, front facing. So that's again a good touch. I'll be back and we'll test the wireless charging capacity. I have my wireless charger here now, and this is a 15-watt wireless charger from Rager. So let's check if this case is capable of allowing wireless charging for the device. So as you can see, it is wirelessly charging, which is again a good thing. So this means that the case is thin enough that it still supports wireless charging. So overall, this is a really good case, and this will also protect against drops and obviously scratches. So that would be it, guys, for this video. If you're looking to buy this particular case, I'll leave a direct link to Amazon in the description. Do use that link as it does helps the channel. With that, that would be it, guys, for this video. Again, thank you for watching, and do hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.